So much has changed since COVID-19 and the regulations that go along with that. How we see family and friends, how we shop, where we can travel to, and how we work. Since lockdown, most organisations have been able to adapt in some way to continue to work remotely, often from home. At Epilepsy Scotland, we're proud to have been able to adapt so quickly and respond to the changes and regulations imposed. Our staff are working from home and all of our services have been provided remotely, making use of WhatsApp, video calls and of course Zoom. There are a lot of obvious benefits to working remotely. It gives staff more flexibility, as well as reducing time and expenses spent travelling to and from meetings. For us and many other organisations, remote working will become a staple part of the way we work once all restrictions are lifted and in the foreseeable future. But despite the success of providing our services remotely, fundraising remotely has proven more challenging. We were quick to respond and have held several online events, including bingo, quizzes, and even an online gin tasting. These were fairly popular events, but unfortunately, it feels as though Zoom fatigue has set in, and these events have been less and less well attended. This seems natural with the slow return to normality, being able to visit family and friends now from a distance, with beer gardens opening, and with the hospitality sector set to reopen next week. However, it's still unclear how this will all affect charity events in the future. Will people ever feel comfortable attending busy events in hotels again? Will companies even allow their staff to continue to purchase tables at these events that so many charities rely on? We would love to hear your thoughts on the future of fundraising and corporate events post-COVID-19.